How to replace a bulb in a 2004 Honda Pilot. First thing you do is you just unscrew these with a Phillips head screwdriver, just like that. Then it will pull out like that. There's two clips down here that go right here and here. You don't want those to break. Those hold it in that way. And there's your bulbs. Bulb we're going to replace, you just twist it and pull it out just like that. Then all you got to do is just pop it out just like that, and you got your bulb. So I'm using a glove because people say not to fingerprint them because it hurts your life. You just push it right back in there, just like that. Right, Mason? Nice and easy. Just put it in, twist it, and you're done. You want to line up the holes. Push it back in. Just screw it back in. You're done. And now we have a blinker that works.